Hi y'all. How's your day going so far? Mine is going pretty good. Feeling kind of peaked right now. Trying to get, I feel the first stages of vertigo, so I don't want that. So I'm sitting down. I'm gonna eat me a yogurt. I'm watching Niki cook. I'm gonna turn this around so I can show her.
Hello.
Okay, there's Nicole.
Ready to brown some ground beef. And we're gonna have some tacos up in here.
She said she can eat tacos every day.
I like tacos.
And we've been just about eating tacos every day.
Pretty much. Pretty much. It's Sonora Grill.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's guys on it.
Okay. I'm eating my yogurt.
Please. I didn't want to smell like the freezer or freezer burn.
Tortillas we had, we froze them. And some baked potatoes. I'm thinking about baking in the microwave. This fan is loud, ain't it, y'all? Okay, this meat has more grease in it than what we had before.
Yeah.
It's not as lean. Fat, the better it tastes. I'm trying to show y'all the torrential rain that we have again. It starts up all of a sudden and then it stops in a couple seconds. And it keeps happening. Nobody in the pool right now. Okay, she's not pouring that grease in there, y'all. You see? Nope, we don't do grease. It looks so good.
It's gonna taste good.
And it smells so good. Let me show you how we have to do these veggies. We have to soak them in that solution, the microdyne, the water and the solution. Because this water will kill you.
While you're over there,
Turn it over.
flip them over, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You have to flip them.
The other side too, because they float.
Then I'm going to soak the potatoes.
Oh, look. Turn it again.
Right, there must be induction
Yeah.
cooktop. We didn't know it.
Well, that can go off for now.
Here's my completed diamond painting. It took me almost a month. Well, it took me 3 weeks. Usually it takes me about 3 or 4 days when I'm at home. I'm finished with this one. We've been out and about. Yeah. And I'm going to show you another one I'm going to start. Start this one I had brought for Lucretia, but she thinks she's gonna mess something up. I told her she can't mess anything up, so I'm gonna do it myself.
You should do mine. You don't see my whole finish.
Okay. Oh, she fixing it a little different than I do. She's putting the cheese on the meat, gonna cover it up a little bit with milk. Okay. Be all up in there.
All up and through.
Okay. Now she's gonna fix something that Lucretia can eat. Here's Lucretia's vegetable mixture. And she'll have a veggie taco.
Yes.
And just go ahead and put some cheese in that.
Mozzarella on that thing.
Tortillas. Veggies we got cut up. There's the melted cheese on the tortillas. Now the meat goes on.
Yeah, you need to go here. Okay.
Okay. Now I'm gonna soak the potatoes. I'm gonna soak the veggies. I'm gonna soak the meat. I'm gonna soak the veggies. 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 Here are my tacos that Nikki just made. Oh my goodness.
What if they're nasty?
Better not be nasty. Okay, thumbnail. I'm gonna show me eating this. Look at that. Juicy, look at that.
What's that face?
Good.
Oh, good. All right. You watched me the whole time I was cooking.
That's spicy.
Okay, I like spicy.
This is good, y'all.
See? Sisterhood problems.
Okay. I have to talk to y'all later. I got to eat.
Back in.